Locksmith Monkey, Portland, Oregon, working on a 2007 X3. All keys lost. Customer called us. I'm here in Clackamas Town Center in Portland, or in Clackamas. Case cut and program. Locksmith Monkey, optimized for speed. Here you go again, Portland, Oregon, Locksmith Monkey, working on 2007 Infiniti G35S. All keys lost. Customer called us, gave us some issues because the car was on neutral. You can't make a key. Locksmith Monkey, optimized for speed. Here we go again, Portland, Oregon, Locksmith Monkey, working on a 2015 Hyundai Elantra trailing, whatever it is. The keys got stolen. She wants to rekey the vehicle, reset the fobs. We're gonna take some pictures and show you the process. Here we go again, Locksmith Monkey, working on a panic bar keypad combination. Customer wanted to match the front door. That's a temporary factory lock. Locksmith Monkey, optimized for speed.